Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to enter promo codes in Roblox Mobile. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, if you have the app opened, just close it, okay? Because as of today, August 20, redeeming from the app itself is not possible, okay? All you have to do is just close this one, open up a web browser, okay? Once done, go to the search bar and type in roblox.com/promo codes. Okay, hit on find or hit on search. Now just wait for it. If it asks you to sign in, just go ahead and sign in. And as you can see here, I'm already signed in. Okay, so all you have to do is just type down the promo code in here. Okay, for example, this promo code. Now once that's done, don't forget to tap on this tick box and then hit on redeem. Okay, it says here, code successfully redeemed. Just close this one. If you have multiple codes, just type down the codes in here. For example, this one. Okay, you can go ahead and redeem these codes if you want to as well. Just pause the video, and if the code is invalid, it will just tell you that the code is invalid right here. Now, when you go ahead and check it out on the Roblox app, just go ahead over to the bottom right, tap on more, tap on profile, swipe up, view full profile. Click on three dots, inventory, and in bundles, as you can see, I have the Nguyen Gone and Nguyen Boy. That is it. That's how you enter promo codes in Roblox Mobile. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.